Lodi or Lottie, I'll mispronounce it, I'm sure, is a JSON-based animation format. So everything you see here, these are Lodi files. It's originally by Airbnb. There's some documentation here. There's another great website that has information on it as well, which is Lodi files. Now, they have animations you can browse, and they're all free. They're on here. They do have links to a marketplace where you can buy them as well. But if you just go through the browsing section, you can browse all these for free or search them or whatever. One of the cool things about them, they're really small file size, and they are the sticker format for Telegram animated stickers, which is one of my favorite messaging platforms. They have a subset. They require that they don't exceed 3 seconds. They're exactly 512 pixels. They're 60 frames per second, and they're a certain size. So the body movement plugin, you install the body movement plugin and to After Effects, and that's the easiest way to create these. And Telegram has a fork of that that creates it with that subset of requirements. You can get the stickers straight from Telegram or from here on Lodi's website. You can come download them as well. So let me show you how to get them out of Telegram. Oh, and then last, of course, they're supported both the .lodi and .json. Although it's the same thing, just a different extension. Telegram sticker, which is a JSON file that's been compressed, zip compressed. It's all supported in the SK animated image in both VCL and FireMonkey. So, Telegram. You can do it from the desktop or from the mobile, but you go to Sticker Downloader Bot, which is by Cloudflare, and you find a sticker you like. So you scroll through all the stickers, and you're like, let's go with this one here. And I just say Share Stickers and copies the link to the clipboard. And then I come here and paste it in there and hit Enter. And in just a second, it gives me a link to download it. Open that up. Once it finishes, there we go. And in here is the stickers. Apparently I opened it twice. Once you've done that, then you can load it into Delphi in your sticker browser. There you go. Here's my sticker browser. Now, there are Lodi animation browsers available from their website download and that supports Telegram stickers, but they're terrible. They don't work. I was really frustrated. So I had to make one in Delphi to even be usable. So this actually is going to be useful beyond just as a cool Delphi demo, I think. I'll show here. So this is the SK animated image, and you just come here and say open just stickers Spartan, and you find this the sticker you want to open, and open either type, and there we go. That's how you open it. But then to open it programmatically, it's pretty simple. You just have to load it from file. This probably needs to be cleaned up some, but on the create here, I just go look for the files and find any files that match. Let's see, list box items. Oh, that gets the directories. And then load the Telegram stickers is here. So there's where it gets the files, and then I create a animated image. This is going to be the preview across the top. And I load from file the file name, and that's it. So I'll go ahead and run this. So it's gone through and enumerated all those directories. This is all of my Telegram stickers I've downloaded. I won't be uploading all of these, but there are some that I got from, I'm not sure exactly what the status are of stickers that you downloaded from Telegram, but the stickers I've downloaded from Lottie files, I know I can share. So I have a little button here so you can randomly jump to stickers at random. And anyway, there they are. You can pause them, and you can loop through them or go through individual frames, whatever you want to do with them. I just think they're cool. And yeah, that's the Telegram sticker browser. I want to show you how to export them from After Effects. So if you haven't used After Effects before, there's lots of tutorials online for this, but you set your layers here, and then the layers you put different things down, and then you have keyframes, and you can set effects like rotation and stuff like that on the different frames. And then once you get it how you want it, after you've installed the extension, and I've installed both the original body movement and body movement for Telegram, you just come in here and say export body movement for Telegram, and you specify a destination folder, which I've already got specified, just with the browse, and select it and hit render, and that's it. I'm not going to render it again because I've already rendered it. Well, it just takes a second. Well, more than a few seconds, but there you go. It's done. It rendered it. And that's all there is to it, to create a sticker or Lodi file. Now, there are a lot of After Effects templates out there that are free, and as long as they're not like pulling in like graphical elements, if they're just doing, in this case, they're pulling it from Adobe Illustrator or SVGs, then you're fine. So those are vectors. So as long as you're pulling in vectors, you're fine. But as soon as you start pulling in rasters, you're not going to be able to use that. Well, you might be able to use it in Lodi, but I don't think so. I'm pretty sure you can't. But there you go.